Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and are making some really good trades here. And let's dive into some analysis. So, the markets had another rough day today. And again, I said I was looking for one more low here on the triple Qs in order for me to actually potentially take a trade set up on it. And that actually ended up happening. We did make another low. Beautiful bullish divergence here. We had a big gap down in the after hours on Microsoft earnings and lots of companies reporting here, but things have seemed to calm down and it's looking good for a setup. So I did open a long position in the after hours when we were negative on the triple Qs, but now it's looking like it's already recovering about a good amount. I'm going all the way down here, but really it was like a 1% move. Now we're back in the green. So again, it's not how the after hours that matters. It's how they close is what I'm trying to say that matters. So market's going to open tomorrow, and it's all going to matter how it's going to close. And we have Fed Day tomorrow as well. We got Jerome Powell FOMC statement at 2 p.m. So it's going to be an action-packed day. It's an action-packed week. There's going to be a lot of stuff coming out. And we also have even more earnings coming out as well. So let's continue on, and I'll do my analysis on individual names. So on the triple Qs here, we're looking for a bounce back up in this double correction possibly. And I mean, if it doesn't double correct and we continue to impulse up, then we're going to be looking for is, in my opinion, a very small new all-time high. And then I think that should be it for this for the market. You know, as we approach significant breaking points in later half of the year, or sort of later stages of the year, probably the last quarter during elections, all that stuff. The VIX is ready to go. Right now, it's breaking up as well. So yeah, I mean, we gotta be cautious for sure right now. It's not long as much as you can all into the portfolio in semiconductors, AI this, AI that. There's definite problems in the semis here. Take a look at the SMH. The SMH is obviously up in the after hours. Again, we were looking for a bounce on NVDA. We also got that today, and I think that should continue higher as well, either for one more nominal high or maybe just a double correction as well, which would definitely suck for the AMD holders. Oh, sorry, not AMD, NVIDIA holders. The AMD holders are actually up in the after hours, which is the reason why NVIDIA is up as well. So for AMD, we're going to be looking for a short position as this B wave corrects and ultimately will fail and should fail towards lower levels. And the target should be right around 103 to 100. And 103 to as low as $57, but I really doubt that we'll get down to those lows. But if we do, it's going to be an amazing opportunity. But I don't foresee such a massive correction. Let me continue on here. I'll take a look at some more names. So I'll cover Microsoft. So Microsoft is going to be in the buy area tomorrow. So again, I had this labeled as an ABC correction. And so far, so good. We should continue on into this level, and anywhere here is a potential buy area, and this cycle should be coming to a close. And then that's basically it, guys. It's pretty straightforward. Let me continue. I'll do some more analysis on the TLT. So the TLT yields pretty stagnant right now, but they are definitely hammering on some resistance here. Let me see if we got a downsloping trend line of some sorts. Maybe from these highs. Sorry, my dog is crying. Let me just open the door and let her out real quick. Okay, all right. That's like the second time I've been interrupted making this video. Let's hope that's the last. So yeah, I mean, to be honest, we have a 1-2, 1-2 with a flat, and another 1-2 setup. So to me, this looks like it's really gearing up for a major breakout, which means yields are gonna collapse soon, right? Making lower highs, and I know a lot of people are thinking yields are going to explode higher. Again, I think they're going to be wrong about that because they're politically out of time. The elections are coming, and why would they raise rates? According to them, inflation's gone. Well, we all know that it's actually not there, but the numbers, they're following their phony numbers. So again, we can't fight the tape, right? We just got to go along with the flow, and this is where I think the market's headed ultimately. Okay, so that's basically it. Pretty straightforward. Let's continue on here, and I'll give you guys some more analysis. DXY looks like it could have truncated, meaning it ended early. We got pretty close to it. Okay, DXY isn't really something I trade, although it could still make one more high tomorrow. So we really don't know what's going to happen. But it looks like it could have ended already. All right. So let's just be patient. And if it has ended, then it's going to rip down. It's going to be really bullish for the markets, in my opinion, if the DXY can come back down and yields can come back down. You're going to have a big relief rally. Lots of late shorts are going to be punished, in my opinion. Oil is one that we got out of recently. So I took profits on my oil short position here after entering at the highs at 84. We cashed out a beautiful win, about 16% on SCO. Now what we're looking for is this first impulse to finish. We're going to look for a corrective move up. Probably something similar in natural gas as well. And then a complete meltdown in oil. And I will reshort it once the time is right. Let's take a look here at a few other things. Let me scroll back up. So Roku has earnings soon. So Roku is one that we're already in. Again, it's down in the after hours at the moment, but can definitely turn up if things want to shape up a little bit better tomorrow. I think Netflix isn't doing too well either. Tesla. So Tesla, in my opinion, might be getting ready to make maybe another low here before we go up. But again, it's in the buy area. I'm not in a Tesla long just yet, given the current market conditions. I am long the TQQQ. We just got long just now in the after hours. Like I think I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we got in at 62 here. So at least you guys will know my position. And if I'm wrong, and I guess I'm going to be wrong tomorrow at the open, but so far we're up a little bit on our position. Okay, let's continue, finish up with probably silver and gold. So silver, again, hit the buy area here. Looks like it's finished. Got a nice reaction so far, but I want to see follow through tomorrow. Same thing for gold. Gold could have finished here as well. It might be gearing up for a big breakout to new all-time highs once again. All right, so guys, that's pretty much what I have to say here. I think the uptrend is definitely coming to an end, but we still may have more upside. We could still have more upside here, and I just want to make you aware of that. In case you were wondering, is this really done? Are we really topped out? I think we still got more upside. And this one, we'd have to relabel it like this. And wave 3, I can definitely put the wave 3 somewhere else. I can put it right here actually, and then a very small 4 and a 5. And actually, this one we can keep up here. Excuse me. Let me just put this back up here. This one we could either leave it like that as a first impulse, and a 3, 4, and a 5. And then corrective move, wave 4. Again, don't be surprised if this is a deeper correction. It can double correct even lower, right? This wave 1 started all the way back down here. Okay, so that wraps it up. Let me finish up, guys, and I'll give you guys an update on GME in the next video that I'm gonna post tonight.